Welcome to the Minimalistic Product Designer. This tool enables your store to offer product customizations to your customers. Here I have prepared an example shop with an example product. I want to sell custom business cards and I want to enable my customers to upload and design their own logos right on my website. The Minimalistic Product Designer injects the design button into the product, which enables your customers to upload their own custom logos and images and to edit them also right on your store. After clicking on Design, the Product Designer will open. For this example, I prepared a product with a green and red card, which can both be designed. Our customer could, for example, decide to upload his logo onto the green card, and he can extract it to fit right exactly in the middle. Now we could also do something with the red card. So let's say this one, we want to pick this font, or maybe this one seems more techier. We can write here something like my card. We can of course pick a color and go with it. And then maybe also center it here. Right. After the customer is finished with his design, he can click to the Add to Cart button. After making sure that everything fits the description, the normal checkout process can be continued and the order can be placed. Now we will go over the steps how to set up the Minimalistic Product Designer in your own store. After you have installed the app from the Shopify App Store, you will be redirected to the subscription page, where you can choose a subscription. After subscribing to a plan, you will be redirected to this pop-up. This pop-up tells us that the Minimalistic Product Designer is not yet enabled. In order to enable it, you just need to click on this button here, and you will automatically be redirected to your current theme. In your current theme, you just need to enable it and click Save. After you have enabled it and saved it, you can return back to the designer. And you can verify the app embed, which should now be green, and you can just close it. After everything has been set up, we can go to the template section and create a new template. This is like a container that contains the views, the green and red card that we had in our example. So let's create a new template and call it card. After we have created a template, we need to add views. Let's have a red view for a red card, and let's have a green view for a green card. Now we can extend this and see that we have a red and green card. Now let's go to our red card. As you can see, here is our template designer. We first need to upload an image. I will upload this red card here. After the card has been uploaded, we can define the bounding box. So this is going to be the area that is editable to the user. So let's say we're going to create this quite a bit smaller. Maybe center it and maybe still reduce the width a little bit. We can also move it a little bit to the right and adjust it to your liking. After you have found the perfect position for your bounding box, you can just click on Save View. Now let us do the same for the green one. Let's upload the green card, click on Upload, and do the same thing. After you're satisfied with your edits, you can just click on Save View. And as you can see, here is our red card and here is our green card. The next part is to associate our template with a product from our store. In this example, I have a store with 3 products and I want to add the card template to our custom card product. So all I have to do is just select the template. And basically that's it. Our store is ready. If you want to preview it, you can just click on this button here. And here you can preview the card in the store. You can also adapt some of the basic settings over here. For example, what you would like to spell on your design button. So let's say design card in this example and click Save. You can also specify a QR code for your products, and here you would place the URL where the QR code should lead to. As you have seen so far, the button gets added automatically and it matches the design of the installed template. So this is some magic that we are doing in the background. But if you're not satisfied with this step or the button appears just in the wrong place, you can deactivate this behavior and paste the button in your template wherever you would like to. All you need to do for this is just copy it to your clipboard and go back to your theme. And in your theme settings, you could paste the code wherever you would like to. As you have also noticed from the beginning, that if we add a product to our cart, so for example this logo here, we can see the logo in the cart area. In order to achieve this, you would need to paste this code here into the area where your cart logic resides in. So this is in most cases called cart.liquid, and under the item section you would need to paste this code here. But don't worry, we can help you during your onboarding. And finally, after an order has been placed, you can go to the order section and see your orders. If it has the green mark here, it means that it was ordered within the Minimalistic Product Designer. If you open it, you see that this is exactly what our customer has added, and you can download it as a zip or PDF for printing. And finally, if you experience any issues or you would like to change your subscription, you can do this in the contact and status and subscription section. The aim of the Minimalistic Product Designer is to help you enable customization of products for your customers as quickly as possible. And therefore I hope that this tutorial will help you to get started right away. If you have any questions, you can always contact us on our website. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.